Guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to save archived stories on Facebook. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all, you're gonna need to open up your Facebook application on your Android and iOS. Then tap on your profile image at the top right and tap on your profile, and it will open up your Facebook profile. And then next to edit profile option, we have three dots, so tap on that one, and then here tap on this activity log option here. Then at the top left tap on archive, and then at the top left tap on story archives. And here you can see that we all these have like story archives here. So if you want to save any story archive, tap on the story and tap on the three dots at the top right and tap on save photo. So that's it for this video, guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.